In Manipur, security forces carried out extensive search operations and area dominations exercises in the fringe and vulnerable regions of the hill and valley districts. These operations led to the recovery of a significant quantity of arms, munitions and other materials, reflecting the ongoing challenges in the region. In Thobal District's Tekcham Maningching area, the security forces seized a variety of weapons and explosives, including one SGM carbine, one M20 pistol, 2 mm pistols, one bore belt action rifle, 9 HE36 hand grenades, 181 mm mortar shell, 2 green ATMK WP devices, 1 tear gas grenade, 7 tear smoke cells, 1 stunned cell, 35 live ammunition rounds, 3 303 blank cartridge, 3 cartridge signaled 16 mm, 1 Baofeng radio set with a charger and a 10,000 Burmese note. Similarly, in Nungai Pokpi village in Phales district, the forces recovered 2 32 pistols with a magazine, 1 12-bore single-barrel gun, 3 HE36 hand grenades, 6 wood-piercing cells, 15 blank cartridge, 3 detonators, 1 2 para-illuminating bomb, 5 live ammunition rounds, 3 arming rings, 3 smoke grenades, 4 WP grind number 80 MK1 and 3 anti-riot cells. In addition to these recoveries, the security forces also ensured the movement of 220 vehicles along National Highway number 37 and 76 vehicles along National Highway number 2 carrying essential supplies. To maintain law and order, a total of 105 checkpoints were set up across various districts, resulting in the detention of 168 individuals for violations.